we are going to talk about
challenges you face. You would be likely to face in law school.
yeah. Every single one of us have their own share. Everyone. So I know I'll start with myself. For me personally, my biggest challenge, my biggest headache was how long it takes for you to be able to finish this one topic under a particular course. Like you are given a certain number of slides and to finish it, and you realize you go and sit down for 3 hours and you're hopeful that 40 slides I should be able to finish. These are just PowerPoints I should be able to finish it. But you sit there for 3 hours and by the time you're now just 5 slides and I'm like, God, am I learning? I feel like people are leaving me behind. So that's really that was a challenge for me. That's what.
Okay, I would say the legal jargons, legal things. You realize there are instances where we face Latin words. Like our mother tongue, we are not raised speaking Latin. I don't think Latin is even
quick Latin.
So it's really a big problem. A lot of Latin things.
Okay, as for me, my problem is with the sentences. Some of them is just too complex. Something you can use just one sentence to say it takes about 6 lines. I don't know. So grab sentences is something. It's really something.
For me, combining sports with law is difficult. So sometimes I find it difficult to study after training. It's quite hectic.
So I don't know. A lot of people are likely to face this challenge. Like law is one of law is one of those courses that you can't. It's difficult to do merging it with other things because it takes a lot of your time to study. So for me personally, I think what I devised to solve my problem was you just have to accept that you're a law student and the law is a jealous lover, as they say. It will take almost all your time. So once you're a law student, you have to make sure that reading your materials, reading your slides, reading your cases, reading your everything is top priority. All other things are auxiliary. So it means that if you have 24 hours in a day, you want to spend that 24 hours, you want to spend 20 hours of that 24 hours working. Law should take like 15 hours of that time. It should take like 15 hours. It simply means that it should take a greater portion of your time because you're not like the ordinary student who will probably just go and sit down. And if the person is reading, let's say, educational psychology, he picks up and reads a few and then he's done. For you, under that one topic, there are cases to be read, to be briefed. Then you have to understand this and imbibe it. So just allocate more time. You may have other things that you do, but just for me personally, what work was to have allocated more time for the law. Yeah.
So I think one essential thing is making good use of flashcards when it comes to the legal jargons. You encounter difficult things in Latin. You can also make good use to accessing the internet. You can at least type the Latin thing and then obviously surely they will give you an answer. The meaning of the Latin thing, quick plantate solo cd, they will surely give you an answer to that. And you can get flashcards and write them down. So anytime you see, you will recollect the meanings of this Latin thing. It really helps.
Okay, mine too was about dissecting the sentences. So you dissect it to make it easier to understand. I think that way you get it more easier.
So me, combining sports with law is very difficult. So I've made a timetable that I follow. I train for some time, then I study too for some time. And I make sure that I take short snaps too, so that I don't get very tired really.
So that's just some of us. And that's just some of the challenges that we face.
But
there are lots of challenges.
Some are yet to come.
I know. Some are yet to come. And I think if you really put your mind to it, you can deal with the challenges. You just have to set your mind to it. So thank you all for watching. See you next time.
Bye.